How's it going, guys? Joey Ducat here from CSC Motorcycles. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to rebuild your carburetor on your SG and TT250. While not routine maintenance, if you let your bike sit and the fuel goes bad, you'll need to clean your carburetor's internal jets and passages. Or if you're modifying your bike and installing a jet kit, please check your local state laws on the legality of installing a jet kit. Jet kits are sold only for racing and off-highway use only. Gasoline vapor is extremely flammable. Perform this job in a properly ventilated area away from open fire and sources of ignition. Wear appropriate personal protection. Tools needed: eye protection, carburetor cleaner, Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, 8mm wrench, 7mm wrench, needle nose pliers, pick, safety wire or paper clip, fine braided copper wire, Dremel tool with small cutoff wheel, clean cup, and if you have an air compressor, a rubber tipped air nozzle. First step, turn off the petcock. Using a flat screwdriver, drain the fuel by loosening the drain screw on the bottom of the carburetor. Fuel will flow out of the hose behind the engine. Catch the fuel in a clean cup and pour it back into the fuel tank. Disconnect the fuel, vacuum, and vent lines. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the air boot. With an 8mm wrench, remove the manifold bolts from the cylinder head. Unscrew the slide top cap and carefully extract the slide and the needle, taking care not to bend the needle. Extract the carburetor. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the float bowl. Using a pick, remove the float and needle. Remove the main jet, emulsion tube, and idle jet. From the factory, the idle mixture screw is non-adjustable. Using a Dremel tool with a small cutoff wheel, cut a slot in the fuel mixture screw. With a small flat screwdriver, remove the idle mixture screw. With a small hook fashioned on a safety wire or paper clip, fish out the spring, washer, and O-ring. Clean the jets and passages with carburetor cleaner and compressed air if available. If needed, Run a thin copper wire through the jets. Install the jets. Install the float. Install the float bowl. Install the spring, washer, and O-ring onto the idle mixture screw. Screw in and lightly seat the mixture screw. Turn out 1 1/2 turns. To adjust the needle, first step, increase the throttle free play. Pull back the spring and release the throttle cable from the slide. Remove the spring clip. Extract the needle. Remove the clip from the needle. Place higher to lean your mixture. Place lower to richen your mixture. Place the needle in the slide. Place the spring clip over the needle. Pay attention to its orientation. The slide only goes in one way. Identify the index slot and slide speed screw ramp on the slide. Pull back the throttle spring and install the throttle cable. Install the slide. Screw down the top cap. Reinstall the carburetor. Install the manifold bolts. Install the fuel and vacuum lines. Vents. Turn the fuel on at the petcock and verify there are no leaks. Position the choke, start and warm up the bike. Test ride and verify proper function. Check your spark plug. If needed, make adjustments to the idle speed, idle mixture, or needle clip position. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos from CSC Motorcycles.